Shelley gets snapped over the top rope, then stabbed in the back by Storm.
Jumping insecurity right to the back of the head of Storm.
Boils down to Sabin and Rude once again.
Missed the insecurity this time. Doesn't look like he was going for. Counter, counter.
Roll up off the ropes.
Like he spit.
Yeah, Storm from outside, spit beer in the eyes of Sabin to blind him. Double R spine buster. Could have new champs.
Shocking. Shocking for Robert. Rudy can't believe it.
Oh, we've seen Beer Money in the past beat the Guns just like that, with Storm spitting the beer in the face of the Guns, and then Beer Money taking advantage. Not to be the case tonight at Genesis. Now all of a sudden it's Alex Shelley lighting up the chest of Rude. Elbow for Rude, slingshot cross body block for Storm, courtesy of Alex Shelley.
Storm just trying to get in that ring, and he just can't get it done. Oh my God, look at stuck. Sabin's foot stuck on the neck and face of Robert Rude.
Rude looks like he's out on his feet.
He's done. Oh my God, what is Bischoff thinking right now? What's Flair thinking right now?
Cross body, neck breaker combination. Wait a minute, Sabin, looked like Sabin had the pin in the win, and the Guns were going to retain the titles. Storm hooks the leg of referee Brian Hebner and pulls him out to the floor before he can count three.
Referee is hot about it too.
Oh, this time it's Shelley cross body block from the top on Storm. Meanwhile, Sabin to the outside. Oh, he's got Rude in his sights, just waiting for Rude to get to his feet. And when he does, is he going to go springboard? Exactly. Went for the DDT.
Look at that, Northern Lights.
Bridging, Northern Lights for two.
Missed that too. Just Robert Roode's beside himself. Excellent Northern Lights suplex. Not able to capture the titles.
Shelley with the shoulder block from outside. Slingshots across the back of Rude. Duck under the clothesline. Sabin connects with the kick. Oh, last call, super kick by Storm. That takes Shelley out of play. Gonna go double team, little DWI here. Hit, stack him up, two. No!
I thought that was it.
Reaction of Robert Rude is like, what the hell else can we do to beat these guys?
Oh my God, good Lord, Eric Bischoff's got to be ripping his hair out of his head in his office right now watching this. Amazing matchup between these two great tag teams.
Beer Money double team again. Free leg that time. Sabin kicks Storm to the floor. Shelley in from behind on Rude. Oh, God. Miscommunication in the corner. And
Schoolboy's got him.
And they got the pin.
Got the pin?
What? They got the titles.
The winner for the match, and new TNA World Tag Team Champions, Beer Money.
Wow. I really thought the momentum was in the favor of the champions, but it's like Rude got himself a handful of tights, got extra leverage on the pin. Referee never saw that.
Right there.
Tag team champions.
More success for Immortal tonight at Genesis as we review the TNA Tag Team title matchup, Dan.
As we pointed out throughout this match, the sense of urgency that was, how Beer Money was under the gun, man, but because of that, they have to win these titles, and the teamwork back and forth by both these great teams. I mean, it could have went either way here. Beer Money was in control for a bulk of this match on Alex Shelley several times with tons of near falls, but Shelley showed a lot of heart and resiliency for getting pinned.
Well, Storm and Rude dominated against Shelley. Brought the fresh man in, it was Chris Sabin. You see the hesitation drop kick. High-risk moves from the Guns. And Storm thought he would take the easy way out, spraying the beer in the eyes by blinding Sabin, but it didn't work.
Yeah, everybody, we all thought it was over there, including Robin Roode, but it wasn't. That Shelley thought he eliminated James Storm out of this bad boy here in this tag team title match. But watch this. Zoop, there goes the ref. Thanks to Storm.
Thought the Guns were going to win it right there.
Yeah, that's a replay. I thought it was it right there. No, I'm serious. It was so quick. And then that miscue right there. That was it, Mike. That miscue by Sabin and Shelley. That cost them the match, in my opinion.
Beer Money takes advantage. They are the TNA Tag Team Champions once again. Now for the 4th time. And you know that Immortal is celebrating. That's another championship that they add to their resume as we send it to Christy Heavy with Brother Devon.